Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings to everyone. This is me, Samirullah, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to show you a very old and vintage rug. There was damage and was repaired. So now they complete it and now they make it very well. So it's also showing when the basically of the carpet is making in the tribal area or on the village side. So before making or before we cut it, they're also like a double side. So I will show to you in a small clip video which the repairman is make it, and it's take around 1 month. They repair one very old carpet. It's, I think, very old, like above than 100-year-old carpet, and it's showing like a fantastic man by repairing it. So let's watch the video, and after this add your idea and need your idea how they make the carpet. Thank you so much. Let's watch.
Next one.
Repairing the rugs. After that we will cut it from here. Let's see. Look. Old carpet, very old carpet. They after repair they make it. This is after the repair work. This is all after the repair. After repair. After repair. It's being very tough time to they make it in one 12-meter rug. They 20 days they finish it by repairing. It was before like this. Before it was like this. Now they make it like this. दम दे
हाँ ये निकाला हुआ है
Thank you so much for watching the video.